Hi, my name is Harshdeep Shah. I am the marketing head of this company called Harshdeep Agro Products. So we are basically into manufacturing of plastic synthetic pottery. So our main USP is our quality basically. So that is how we stand out from our competitors. As you can see over here, my products over here are lightweight, durable, and they have the wheels in them. So we come up with innovative ideas every day. Every second there is some innovative idea in my mind. That is how we come up with these kind of planters. So this is some of my Rotomolded products. This is my Milano series. As you can see, it is painted with a golden rib on the top. Since it is a plastic, painting on this is really very difficult, but this is how Harshdeep works. We make it possible. Mainly the architects like to use the space as much as possible. That is, they make it more efficient. So this is my product called Quebec. This is the most this is being sold very nicely to the architects, since it touches the wall and it minimizes the space wastage. Yeah, Wishkarma is a brand that will help other vendors to join with the suppliers. Basically, it will help to expand the market, and it will help to open up the channels in order to exchange of products. That we will get a good reach of architects, and we will get more business in future. Thank you.